check these chests. I flooded out my paddock with baguettes. I curved Tiffany for Jess. Need to get myself together, I'm a mess. In bikini bottom, I was standing. Moesha keep on drinking out of brandy. She should eat the molly like it's candy. Body slam a nigga like I'm Randy. I'm a hot hitter. I'm a guap getter. Leave a thot bitter. Get your block hit up. Oh, you think you in the group? Get that shit split up. Tryna suck me laying down, I made that bitch sit up. Yeah, hot box, thirsty, case closed. We grill beef, nigga charcoal. Selling pussy, her but JJ got a barcode. These broke ass niggas need job codes. Used to use EBT to get seafood. Now Uber Eats when I want Chiku. She wanna hang, gotta let the gang G you. Metro worth a lot of M's, nigga, me too. Hanging up my earlobes is a rock. Hanging off my waistline is a glock. The body in that casket was a I don't throw no bottles, I throw shots. All this drip on me, I need a mop. Balenciaga boxes in the sauce. I got 10 freaky girls on a yacht. Finna drown in them, dawg. Finna drown in them. Last altercation got 100 rounds in them. All my spots got a lot of bloodhounds in them. Ain't no furniture, it's just a lot of pounds in them. Purse soft hard and I got the brown in them. What the bummer clutch, Chateau, we don't ramp in them. Edgewood, Glenwood, Boulder Crest, and a hemp with them. Got a lot of sticks, you can get stamped with them. Tryna mediate the beef, you get found with them. All these chains, rest in peace to Harry Tubman. Niggas broke cause they doing too much clubbing. Cashed out on all my cards cause I'm stubborn. Zone 6 against the world, that's how I'm coming. I came out the womb, I was thugging. Ain't no fist fights, niggas up and straight. Rappers say they won't smoke, but they bluffing. When you see them face to face, it ain't nothing straight out. Hanging up my earlobes is a rock. Hanging off my waistline is a glock. The body in that casket was a I don't throw no bottles, I throw shots. All this drip on me, I need a mop. Balenciaga boxes in the sauce. I got 10 freaky girls on a yacht. I got 10 freaky girls on a yacht. You know, I was racing down the highway earlier today, riding down 20. I happened to see a nigga I robbed back in the day. You know what? He was happy to see me.